Good day, everyone. Today, we will be presenting Caterpillar Incorporation, one of the world's leading manufacturers of heavy construction and mining equipment. As a mechanical engineering technology student, we selected Caterpillar because its innovations have significantly influenced infrastructure development, industrial productivity, and engineering practices worldwide. Throughout this presentation, we will discuss the company's history, its product and services, its contribution to global development, the challenges it faces, and how its technologies help address modern engineering and environmental concerns.
The background of the company. The Caterpillar Incorporated was officially established on April 15, 1925, through the merger of two pioneering companies, the Holt Manufacturing Company, founded by Benjamin Holt, and the C.L. Best Tractor Company, founded by Clarence Leo Best. Benjamin Holt is widely recognized for developing one of the first successful crawler tractors, which use continuous tracks instead of wheels. During a demonstration, observers noted that the machine moved like a caterpillar, inspiring the name that the company proudly carries today. Today, Caterpillar is headquartered in Irving, Texas, USA, and operates in more than 190 countries. The company designs and manufactures a wide range of heavy equipment, including excavators, bulldozers, wheel loaders, motor graders, dump trucks, industrial engines, generators, and mining equipment. These machines play a vital role in construction, mining, agriculture, transportation, and energy industries across the globe.
Its global significance. Caterpillar plays a critical role in supporting global infrastructure economic development. Its equipment is used in construction of highways, bridges, airports, railways, hospitals, schools, dams, and renewable energy facilities. Beyond construction, Caterpillar equipment is essential in mining operations that extract valuable resources such as copper, iron, and lithium. These materials are fundamental in producing modern technologies, including electric vehicle, electronic devices, and renewable energy systems. The company's equipment is also deployed during disaster response and recovery efforts, helping communities rebuild after earthquakes, floods, and other natural disasters. This contribution demonstrate Caterpillar importance in supporting both economic growth and humanity efforts worldwide.
Innovation and sustainability. Caterpillar continues to lead the industry through engineering innovation and technological advancement. Its modern equipment incorporates advanced features such as GPS-guided machine control, remote equipment monitoring, predictive maintenance system, and semi-autonomous operation. These technologies improve operational efficiency, enhance workplace safety, and reduce equipment downtime. The company is equally committed to environmental sustainability. Caterpillar develops fuel-efficient engines, low-emission technologies, and electric-powered equipment designed to reduce environmental impact while maintaining high performance. These innovations reflect the company's commitment to balancing industrial productivity with environmental responsibility.
Challenges faced and relevance to mechanical engineering technology. Despite its global success, Caterpillar continues to face several significant challenges. These include supply chain disruptions, increasing fuel and raw material costs, stricter environmental regulations, and the growing demand for sustainable construction technologies. To remain competitive, the company invests heavily in research and development, digital transformation, automation, and workforce training. For students of mechanical engineering technology, Caterpillar serves as an outstanding example of how engineering principles are applied to solve complex industrial challenges. Its commitment to innovation, reliability, and continuous improvement provides valuable lessons for future engineers who aspire to contribute to global development.
Caterpillar represents excellence in engineering and manufacturing.
Its history reflects decades of innovation and technological advancement.
Its equipment support infrastructure development and economic progress across the world.
Its commitment to sustainability demonstrates the future direction of modern engineering.
As future mechanical engineering technology professionals, we recognize Caterpillar as a company whose innovation continue to shape industries and improve lives worldwide.